today with the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.